Clipping is the easiest way to start making money online, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it with Whop. If you never heard about Whop, it's a platform where creators pay you to clip their content and it's growing fast. More and more people are using it to earn 50, 500,000 and even sometimes $10,000 just by creating short clip that instantly goes viral. It's beginner friendly, you don't need to show your face, you don't need followers, you just need the right setup, the right clips and a little bit strategy. I'll show you everything in this video. And if you want to take it more further, I am giving you the free access to my Whop community of clippers, links in the description. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the link in my description. It will straightly bring you to Whop. Once you're in, click on discover and you will see creators offering money for people to clip their content. You will recognize names like Rob the Bank, Breast Scales, even celebrities like Conor McGregor. Ooh, I'ma act a damn fool. Yeah. They pay per 1,000 views anywhere from 50 cents to $3 and even sometimes $5. But here's what most people miss. Scroll down on each listing, you'll see how much of the prize pool has been claimed. If it's almost full, even if your clip goes viral, you won't get paid any single dime. So choose wisely. So the second thing you have to understood is types of communities. There are three types of communities. First is the waitlist. You have to request for the access and wait for it. Second is the instant join, just click and start clipping today. And the third community is called application only. These usually pay the most, but you need to apply for it. If you are just starting, go for instant join. Once you've posted a few clips and gained some traction, aim for the high paying programs with better RPMs. So let's move on account setup. This is where the most people mess up. You need a fresh Gmail and create a new YouTube or YouTube Shorts or TikTok page. Don't recycle old accounts. Your channel name should match the creator you're clipping for. If it's breast scales, name it like breast scales daily or something close to it. Then warm up your account. For the first 3-4 days, don't post any post. Just scroll, like the reels, comment on the reels, and follow related accounts and act like a real human. Post one shot, then wait for 24 hours. Do not spam post. Posting too much too early puts you in the zero view jail. Once you see traction, start posting once a day. On TikTok, you can go with 2-3 reels per day. And now move forward on making the clips. You've got three solid options. The first option is edit yourself by using any free software like CapCut. Grab the original video from Whop, find 45 or 60 seconds that feel emotional or valuable or interesting. Open CapCut, set dimension to 9:16 and make sure your faces are in frame. Add captions. CapCut Pro has auto captioning. If not, type them manually using any bold font. Add simple effects, maybe a little bit B-roll. You can use pixels for free stock footages or generate visual with AI tools like Midjourney. So the second option for making clips is use any AI tools like Opus Clips. Paste the video link into Opus Clips and it will auto generate short clips. They are not perfect but pretty good, especially for speed. Great for batching clips. So the third option for making clips is to hire an editor. If you got some budget, this is the easiest way to stand out. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr have editors who are specialized in YouTube Shorts. Quality matters, especially with so much competition. This is one of the easiest and realest way to start making money online in 2025. You don't need to build a brand or become a YouTuber. Just find the right creator, make great clips and keep posting. If you want help picking the best Whop communities, idea for what clips go viral or feedback on your edits, join my free Whop community of clippers. The links down below. I built it to help beginners like you. So take this seriously. Don't sleep on this. Clipping is hot right now and there's room for everyone. So join my free Whop community and I will meet you there.